What's up everybody, it's Chris from Nup Effects, and today I'm going to be showing you how to modify clothes to suit your needs. So let's just jump right in. I did put another line, a strip of stitching down at the bottom here because of the in and out. That's where it's going to be hitting because of gravity. And something I might do if I were to do this again is to tack the corners down first and then go around, and I might add another stitching line along the sides. I haven't decided yet, but if I do, it would just strengthen everything, all the stitching going on. So just keep that in mind for when you do this yourself. This can be done with all sorts of different types of clothing. You can add pockets to jackets, pants, shirts. I did this with scrap fabric and just a needle and thread, and if you need to do that, so can you. Thank you once again for sticking around until the end of the video. If you like what you saw, go ahead, give that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to keep up to date. Down below in the description, there are links that help support the channel and help me keep creating. If you guys saw, Effects University is back up and running. We're on season 2, and it started off with a shorter one about the practical effects that are done in Disney's Haunted Mansion rides. Also, I do have a Patreon now. There are different tiers, so if you wouldn't mind, you can go ahead, sign up for that. But if you can't, that's all understandable. But make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.